California Braille and Talking Book Library in collaboration with Adaptive Technology Services. Copy or move saved images to a computer. 1. Use the USB cable to connect the Explorer 5 to a computer. Plug the larger side of the USB cable into the computer with the tactile USB symbol face up. Then insert the micro USB connector into the Explorer 5. The single bump on the micro USB connector must face up. 2. The computer should recognize the Explorer 5 as a thumb drive, and it should open the File Explorer. 3. If not, open File Explorer and open the drive assigned to the Explorer 5. 4. The images will be located within the Images folder. 5. Select and copy, cut, or delete images. 6. Paste selected images to the desired drive on your computer. 7. Wait until images are copied, then safely unplug the device. Connect the Explorer 5 to an external screen. Connect the Explorer 5 to an external screen to display a larger image. Use the high-resolution video output cable to connect the device to a TV or computer monitor. Use this configuration to view text and objects under the camera or to enlarge images from the Explorer 5 gallery mode on a larger screen. 1. Remove the high-resolution video output port's rubber cover, right side of the Explorer 5. Plug the smaller side of the cable into the Explorer 5 high-resolution video output port. 2. Connect the cable's larger-sized plug-in to an external screen. 3. Make sure the Explorer 5 and the external screen are turned on. 4. When you turn on the device with an external monitor connected, the Explorer 5 image is shown on the external monitor. The monitor on the Explorer 5 is disabled. 5. When finished, turn off the Explorer 5 and safely unplug the cable. The external screen must have an HDMI port. It must be compatible with the high-resolution video output formats supported by the Explorer 5. The Explorer 5 supports the following high-resolution video output formats: 1280 by 720p, 60 Hz, 50 Hz. 1920 by 1080p, 60 Hz, 50 Hz, 24 Hz. 1920 by 1080i, 60 Hz, 50 Hz. No support of DVI emulation. The Explorer 5 settings. The Explorer 5 has a configuration settings menu. Use this menu to change your preferences. For example, you might want to add or remove color contrast schemes, adjust the brightness level, or set the date and time. Use the instructions below to navigate the settings menu. 1. Press and hold the contrast button to access the menu. 2. Press the zoom in plus or zoom out minus button to navigate through the menu options. 3. Press the freeze button to select an option. Press the contrast button to back out of the selected menu option or to exit the settings menu. Here are all the options of the settings menu. Gallery. Find all saved images. Use this menu to delete all images at once. Remember that you can also access the gallery by pressing the contrast and freeze buttons simultaneously. Autofocus. Autofocus can be locked or unlocked. By default, Autofocus is unlocked when you use the Explore 5. Autofocus is locked by default when using the handle as a hands-free stand. Screen brightness. Adjust brightness level of the screen from 1 to 9. Auto off. Set a timer to turn off the device when you are not using it. Preferred zoom. Set the default magnification when you turn on the device. Contrast. This menu has a submenu with different contrast options. Preferred contrast. Set the default contrast color scheme when you start the device. Menu. Change the color scheme of the Explorer 5 menu. Enable contrast. Use this menu to add or remove color contrast schemes when pressing the contrast button. Lights. Turn the Explorer 5 lights off, on, or set to low. Language. Choose the menu language. Display. Choose between 50 Hz and 60 Hz. Delete gallery. Delete all your gallery images at once. Factory defaults. Select this option to erase all your preferences and return to factory defaults. Note, factory default restores the device to the state it was in when it left the factory. It will erase all personal settings. About shows the current date and time, software version, hardware version, and serial number. You can also set the date and time here by pressing the freeze button on the date and time menu, then press the zoom in plus or zoom out minus button to navigate to the unit you want to change: year, month, day, hour, or minutes. Press the freeze button to select the item, then press the zoom in plus or zoom out minus button to increase or decrease the value. Finally, press the freeze button to save the value. Summary. Transfer images to a computer. Connect Explorer 5 to a computer via the USB cable. Copy images from Explorer 5 image folder to the computer. Wait until the process is finished. Disconnect the Explorer 5. Connect Explorer 5 to an external screen such as a TV. Plug the high-resolution video output cable's larger connector to the external screen and the smaller connector to the Explorer 5. Access the Settings menu. Hold the Contrast button. Navigate the menu with the Zoom In plus or Zoom Out minus button. Select a menu item with the Freeze button. Back out of menus with the Contrast button. BTBL Assistive Technology website, http://www.library.ca.gov/btbl/assistive-technology. Telephone number, toll-free in California, 952-5666. Email address, btbl@library.ca.gov.